Hello all, let's begin with introduction to what is MySQL, a relational database management system based on SQL for the purpose of a web database is called MySQL. It is used in several applications such as data cleaning, data warehousing, e-commerce, logging applications and an online portal. This is used to store the applications whether it is as small as a single record or it stores an entire inventory of the products. The application of MySQL varies based on the need. It can associate with any scripting language such as PHP or Perl and create websites. Let us see exactly what is MySQL. MySQL is a database management system. A database is a collection of data that is arranged in a structured manner. We can able to add, delete, modify and process the data stored in the computer database with the help of a database management system such as MySQL Server, etc. Using database management systems, we can able to control and process a large amount of data with the help of a computer. MySQL databases are relational. Relational database is a database in which data is stored in different tables instead of storing in the same storage. These tables are related logically by a logical model such as databases, tables, rows, columns, views and so on. By using these relations, we can able to access the data from the database. We use SQL, that is structured query language, to query the database and it is the most commonly used language to access the database. The next point is MySQL is open source. MySQL database management system is open source software. We can modify the software and redistribute and can use it for a free of cost. We can also have a licensed version of MySQL by which can get premium support and some premium features support. So based on our business needs, we can decide to use either the free version or the paid version of the software. MySQL is reliable, fast and scalable. MySQL database management system is very fast and we can able to run on desktop, laptop, server along with other applications. If we install it on a dedicated machine, then we can achieve more from MySQL by taking the advantage of CPU or IO capabilities. It is scalable to cluster of machines connected through network. MySQL is developed to handle too large amounts of data in databases efficiently and faster than existing solutions with different types of features and become as most popular and demanding software in the market. MySQL can be used in client server or embedded environment. MySQL database management system software can be used in any client server or embedded systems which support multiple applications, programs, libraries, multi-threaded SQL server which supports different software and a wide range of APIs for application programming. MySQL can provide it as a multi-threaded library that can be linked to any application and use which will be fast and easy to use as a product. Then next we move on to the main features of MySQL. So first point is data types. MySQL supports different data types. Some of them are assigned and unsigned integers, float, double, char, varchar, binary, text, blob, date time, year, set, enum, geospatial types, fixed and variable strings. Second point is portability and internal functionality. MySQL is developed in C and C++ programming languages with testing on a broad range of compilers. MySQL works on and supports on different types of programming language platforms. It was designed to support multi-threaded kernels with a multi-layered server designed to use multiple CPUs. It able to perform joins very fast using optimization and have separate storage for transactional and non-transactional. Internally uses hash tables which will be used as a temporary tables. Then functionality support. MySQL supports function and full operator in select and where clause of the query. It supports left outer join and right outer join with basic syntax and ODBC syntax. It supports aliases for tables and columns as per standard SQL. It supports curl operations like insert, delete, replace and update statements which returns the number of rows updated, inserted and deletes the rows which match the condition. Then fourth feature is connectivity. Anyone can connect to MySQL database management system using different types of protocols such as TCP/IP sockets. using name pipes and enable name pipe, and using shared memory connection with enable shared memory, and using Unix domain sockets on Linux systems. MySQL clients can write programs in many languages as it has library support for different programming languages. Using connector or J interface, that is Java client programs can connect to MySQL and perform operations. The next feature is security. MySQL handles security by password mechanism and privileges, which is simple, fast and secure for host-based verification. It handles security by password encryption for all passwords when we connect to the server. Last point is scalability. MySQL supports very large datasets. For example, we can have a server on which MySQL hosted and handles 50 million records. Servers having 2 lakh tables with 5 million records. It supports up to 64 indexes per table, where the column can vary from 1 to 16 columns per table. Next, we can understand about is MySQL programming language. MySQL is an open source database management system that is being used to manage database systems, retrieving data from the database tables, and many people might have a question about whether MySQL is a programming language. In my view, it is server-side software to manage database systems. SQL is a structured query language which is an ANSI standard and implemented by most of the database systems. SQL is a type of programming language which is used for manipulating data in the database, whereas MySQL implements the SQL language with additional features that are not in the standard and standard version features with the variations and modifications. So finally, it's an overview of MySQL, and it is not a programming language, rather it is a software used for the database management system. I hope you will have a good understanding about MySQL after reading This is MySQL Programming Language. As we have discussed in the detail about its support for different programming languages, providing libraries for different clients, security, scalability, functionality, support, internal development, and implementing all features in standard SQL programming language and additional features which are not supported in standard SQL. So this has been a guide to the is MySQL programming language and introduction to what is MySQL. So here we have discussed MySQL with its features such as data types, functionality, support, security, and history.